Okay, that's the thumbnail. So basically, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook at worldly41.gumroad.com. The link will be in the description below or in my bio. And if you sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, we will give you 20 free fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more into your account. All links will be located in the description below or in the bio. So basically, our position, right? Our SPY position on Friday was down 19.47%. Yesterday, our position was down 24.86%. And then today, our position is down 27.71%. Basically, I'm down $2,789 with 2 cents on this overall SPY trade. So going into SPY, right? Basically, the plan was to step one, try to buy SPY when it's oversold on the chart. Step two, sell out the position once I see a 5 or 10% gain, or whenever I see there's like a bullish like trend in my favor of my game plan. Exit out the position for a 20 or 15% gain. So right now, overnight hours, SPY is at 596. And looking at on the 30-minute time chart, so it looks like overnight, SPY finally managed to break over the 9-day. So basically, the 9-day moving average finally managed to break over the 20-day moving average. The next step that needs to happen for SPY to see upwards momentum, it needs to break the 50-day moving average. Once we see that, then that's when we'll be in a bullish trend. But from the looks of it right now, if SPY can maintain itself above the 50-day moving average, then we could possibly see a bullish day for tomorrow for SPY. So maybe we'll have to see what happens tomorrow when the market opens, obviously. But so it looks like I had, what was it? Yesterday I had 10 options in total. So today I bought another 7 call options of SPY today. And let me see if I can memorize where I did buy it. So basically, like I said yesterday, anywhere from 595 through 590 is the support level for SPY, right? So when I saw that SPY basically went through those levels, through 595 through 590, that's where I tried my best to buy a couple more SPY call options. And the last SPY call option that I bought was when this candle, the 1530 candle, got rejected by the 50-day moving average. I just patiently waited to see if it could land on the 9-day moving average. That way I could buy my last call option there. That did happen. So basically that was my last time buying a SPY call option as soon as it landed on the 9-day moving average. And basically the goal of this like study, or I guess you could say trade, honestly, because it is a trade, but it's also like a case study in a way. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show that basically you're trying to buy SPY when it's oversold, and then step two, basically sell out your position once it's up either 5 or 10%. Now let me explain my reason why I sell out for a 5 or 10% gain. Most of the trades I sell out for a small 5 or 10% gain, because usually if I try to aim for a higher percentage gain, usually it won't work out. Or sometimes having that specific percentage target in mind, sometimes it will come or it won't come it won't come into motion if of your trading plan. So basically I try to aim for that 5 or 10% gain, And then step 3 is just to rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again. Basically, it's kind of unrealistic that most people try to aim for 100, 200, 300% gains. And, when trading options, when it's, kind of risky, because you'll only see those type of gains if you bet, right on earnings, or if you are trading, 7-day options that, 7-day expiration options. So usually you'll only see those type of gains if you're playing like 7 or 14 day options. Honestly, the way I see it is that the more trades you do, right, using this specific strategy, selling out your position for a 5 or 10% gain, and then getting into another oversold stock and repeating that step over and over again, basically those gains will stack on top of each other in a way. And you could think of it this way, like, okay, yeah, I could see 100% gain maybe in a couple of 10 trades in total, right? So let's say each trade you sell out for a 10% gain. Basically, that's 100% gain that you're making within those 10 trades that you made. And basically, another thing that I try to do is that I try my best to not like over trade. The reason I don't over trade is because usually if I'm having a plan set in motion for this specific stock, I don't want to overthink about this other stock that I'm trading, and kind of like mix them both. Obviously I'm not going to mix them both, honestly, but in a way I'd rather have a peace of mind, rather knowing that, okay, I'm just going to stick to this trade. If it goes well, good. If it doesn't go well, on to the next trade for the next day, right? And or swing trade, whatever you're doing. And basically I'm trying my best to try to stay focused, have that execute that game plan in motion. When am I entering, when am I exiting, right, out of that trade. So basically right now on the SPY chart, basically you could say that right now SPY is oversold. And could we see a bounce from SPY soon? To be honest, by the looks of it, it could be tomorrow, honestly, because since the SPY is above the 50-day moving average, so we could see SPY see a continuation of further uptrend for tomorrow. And as long as the 9-day moving average is above the 20-day moving average, that is a bullish indicator in my case. So as long as the 9-day moving average is above the 20-day moving average, we should be good for tomorrow. So that is pretty much it. That is my thought process of this trade. Honestly, we'll see what happens. So we finally made it over the 9-day moving. We finally made it over the 20-day moving average, and that basically means that it's a bullish indicator for SPY. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. So if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at worldly41.gumroad.com, located in the description below or in my bio. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.